Hello, I'm Avni, founder of Glaizit. I'm a pottery hobbyist who happens to have some technical background. A few years ago, I was very frustrated trying to organize my pottery notes, glaze combinations, techniques, inspirations. It was scattered all over the place. There were different platforms used and tools used, sometimes my notebook. And that's where I realized there has to be a better way of doing this. And that's when Glaizit was born. It's a platform created by a potter for potters, making pottery accessible to all. Glaze is your ultimate pottery companion. Whether you're a beginner trying different techniques or a seasoned ceramic artist, Glaze makes your creative journey a lot smoother and inspirational, with access to a global ceramic community at your fingertips. With Glazit, you can now find pottery inspirations and explore beautiful glaze combinations that are shared by other potters. You can also capture and organize your creative thoughts on an idea board, sketch them, or pin the references that inspire you. Use the smart shelf to get personalized glaze suggestions based on the materials or the glazes that you already have. You don't have to buy more stuff to try new glaze layerings or recipes. Experiment privately with draft combinations. Refine your results and publish them only when you are ready to share or discover. This can help you keep a track of the glaze layerings that you used. All these detailed notes now stay organized and are easy to find. Our goal is simple: to bring the pottery community together and to make your creative process more enjoyable and simpler. So, what are you waiting for? Download Glaze today and join a growing community of ceramic artists around the world. Let's make this world a little more glazier together.